you're not, or you're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me when I
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip off for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my...
It's nice. I've never had a concierge before. Yeah, I don't know what this installation is. Is it meant to have
Or it's
fish
a
in there?
decoration. It's supposed to be like just selling stuff.
I thought the fish died and they drained it out.
Nobody did.
It's a bit strange.
Yeah, probably. I think that was an aquarium.
city of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first.
I've come with a few bags. The table should go here. The TV unit, sofa area and desk. The bed will go here. The wardrobe there. Bathroom. We don't need to worry about that yet. We just need to get everything in. Empty apartment tour. All the chaos and the mayhem. Boxes everywhere. But look at my little good girl. Sitting in her bed like a little princess. You're so well behaved, aren't you? You're happy with your bed and your toys. You're so cute. Good girl.
First time in Golden Gate Park, I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want.
Boxes, floor to ceiling, bags everywhere. More boxes, more bags. Who knew I had so much stuff? Let's see how the storage cupboard's looking. We've got the airing things there. We've got the locker system there. More boxes. See if I can move it a bit more. That should be fine. It's all coming together.
He drove us down to Ike's place while we roll up a blunt, and me and Jack will get...
Morning, this is the state of the room. I have all these bags of clothes I need to go through. Started to fill the drawers, and I've got all of these cushions on the floor, shoes, toiletries. The drawers are all disorganized and the wardrobe is definitely disorganized. This rug is the wrong size and shape, and I hate the railing. Those are also ankle swinger curtains that don't touch the floor. Yeah, there's a lot to do. Here we go. She's getting used to the move, aren't you, Ella? That's how the bedroom is looking right now. In the bathroom, I've put a wash basket there, a towel here. I do need to sort out that basket, and I need a toilet paper holder. Yeah, I need to find the soap. All of this is a hot mess. The bathroom is absolutely filthy. Cleaners are coming to clean that. I've done my first ever laundry, and a bit more in the hallway there. This area would be good for coats. Here and here I could have 2 units, you know, the thin IKEA ones that you pull out, and have some shoes in there so I can actually see myself. I can have a full length mirror there. That would be awesome. Let's look inside the cupboard. So I've managed to put the doggy crate there. I've just put extra toilet papers, extra cleaning products, and those are lights for YouTube. My Hoover's coming. My friend lent me that Hoover. They've accidentally sent my mum's floor lamp. That's not for me, that needs to go to my mum. down. These are where I'm keeping the broom and mop. I'm still organising. There's like random crap in that basket that needs to be sorted, and then in here I've just started putting random things like keys and, you know, plastic cutlery, apron. Still need to unbox some things. The desk area is an absolute disaster. Don't even look at that. The sofa is black. I really can't stand it. My friend has got me a sofa cover, so I can't wait for that. These god-awful aubergine curtains, ankle swingers. Look at them not even touching the floor. Those need to go. I've started on my telly area, which is, it's not bad. It's kind of cute. I'm still thinking about it. That light there does not work. The landlord's gonna fix that. That's the lamp, the only bit of furniture that I allowed to stay. Everything else they took away, thank God. There we have a candle, flowers, TV. I need to get my TV license sorted. Flowers, candle, and this gorgeous unit, which is a mess inside. I need to sort that out. This is the doggy zone. This is where little Ellie Belly has her little naps and her toys. This is why I need the thing in the hallway for my shoes and coat, because this is just a disaster. I need to get a drying rack there. I have no chopping board. These shelves were an absolute disaster and they're not aesthetic at all, so I've got to sort that out. That's a big organisational job there. This is my favourite pan. Love it, obsessed, cook everything on that. It's not too bad. That's her little food and drinking station. And that's me wearing pygmy puff slippers, pyjamas, pygmy puff robe.
Don't only walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm David, and I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. What people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping one day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion, and it's mine.
Hometown, baby, we go way back. All the